Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and I wanted to show you today how to use my car detailing business plan template, specifically the financial model, how to use it to create your car detailing pro forma financial projections quickly and easily. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm then going to walk you all through the financial model that I've customized for the car detailing industry. I'm going to show you all how to use it, and then once you're done entering your information, your pro forma financial projections for the next 12 months for your car detailing company, as well as your income statement, your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years will be updated and ready to go. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, a doctoral candidate, as well as a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, growing opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to have a great conversation as to how I can best help you all with a custom business plan. I do also offer mentoring services as well as financial projections. So if y'all are done with your business plan, but those pesky numbers are giving you some problems, I can definitely assist with doing your financial projections for you as well. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They are focused on business plan writing as well as financial projections, understanding financial statements and such. Finally, I'm an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I do have some academics as well as some real-world experience backing up my thoughts and ideas for my business plan tutorials. All right, so with that said and done, let me go ahead and introduce y'all to the star of the show, which is my Excel financial model that's customized for the car detailing business industry. And so when you do if you are interested in buying my template for the car detailing business, it does come with an Excel financial model, which is right here. And it also comes with a Word document, which is right here. The Word document tutorial is in a separate video. This video here is focused on helping y'all use the Excel financial model to create your projections for the next 12 months, as well as your income statement for your car detailing industry. All right, so when you do buy the template, you'll download the Word document and the Excel file. Once you open up the Excel file, you'll be greeted with this information right here. It comes on 4 tabs. And the tab number 1 is the information page. Tab number 2 is your projections, just a summary of all of your information once you enter it. Profit and loss for the next 12 months is broken up monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, etc. And it also comes with your pro forma income statement annually for the next 5 years, which is right here. Now, once you update all your information on the information tab, all of your financial projections will update automatically. So if we change the number of customers you work with from 8 to 9, then your financial models will update accordingly, profit and loss and income statement. So the way the information page is broken up to is I do have that in sections. The first section is your daily sales. The VC means variable costs, as how much money does it cost you per customer service. The 9 is how many customers you service daily. And then the price is how much on average you charge per customer. So once you update the price, the number of customers, and your variable cost as a percentage, then again, it'll update all your information. The next section in here is your operating days per week. So if you're operating 5 days a week, put that 5. If you're working 6 days a week, put 6. Your next section is going to be your labor section. The first line right here, the darker colored cell, and by the way, anywhere there is a darker colored cell, like right here or right here, that information can be changed, whereas if it's a lighter colored cell, you don't want to change that information. So the first line right here is your salary, how much you want to pay yourself monthly. I put it, starting point is $2,500, but you can change it to whatever you want. If you are going to have employees, put the number of employees here, how much you're going to pay them on average here, and then the number of hours worked monthly. If they're going to be working 40 hours a month, then it's 100. If they're going to be working 40 hours a week, then it works out to be 172 hours a month. The pay rate, if you're going to pay them $14 an hour, then put 14. If it's going to be 15, put 15. If you are going to have employees, put the number here. If you're not going to have employees, then put 0, and it gets rid of the information for employees. The next section is your startup cost section. The first two lines is how you are going to fund your company. The first line is your equity investment, how much money are you coming out of your pocket with. And then the second line is going to be for a loan. If you're taking out a loan, then you'll want to put that dollar amount here. Just keep in mind these first two lines, whatever they add up to, in this example 100,000, should also be equal to your cost allocations, which are down here. Now, also, when you do put a number here for your loan, in this example, again, 75,000, it will automatically populate down here under loan information. And then all you have to do now is just enter interest rate and the term of your loan, and your payment will calculate for you automatically. Going back up here for the startup cost. So once you have your investment funds listed right here, then you're going to allocate those funds down here. And like I said, whatever this adds up to, for example, 25,000, 75,000, 100,000, you want to make sure that you divvy up that money into these various categories right here. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. How much money are you going to pay for rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, and then other. Whatever those are going to be, put that information here, and then it'll automatically sum it here. And then this chart right here is just a little bit of a bonus. So once you update this information, this chart will change accordingly. The next section is going to be your miscellaneous for your taxes. If your tax rate is going to be about 20%, put it there. If it's going to be 25%, then just change this number to whatever it's going to be. Growth rates. These are your growth rates for your financial projections for the next 12 months and the next 5 years. The first 5 lines are going to be for your growth rates for the revenues, and then the rest of the lines is going to be your annual growth rates for your other costs, your salary, your cost of goods, your advertising. Those are going to be your growth rates for your cost, whereas the first 5 lines are going to be your growth rates for your revenues for the next 5 years. All right, so once you enter in all of your information in these darker color cells, it will automatically populate into the projections, which is right here. You'll have a nice little chart right here for the next 5 years, summing up your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. And then also it'll update your profit and loss statement right here. And then also it'll update your next 5 years profit pro forma income statement right here. And then once you're done with your financial model, you've got all your information in, you just need to copy and paste the updated information into your Word document. So for example, if we're done with the profit and loss for the next 5 years, then what we'll do is we'll scroll down to where it says pro forma income statement. We'll get rid of the old income statement by highlighting it and hitting backspace, and then we'll go ahead and hit Control V. And now we've got our pro forma income statement updated with our information. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. So in summary, if you're interested in buying my car detailing business plan template, which comes with the Word document as well as the financial model, which we just covered, just visit my link right here. The template does come with a couple of things. It does come with a customizable Word document, which is covered in a separate tutorial. It also comes with the basic financial model, which we just covered in this tutorial. There are some limitations to it. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office or you do need Microsoft Excel. And then also there is no free phone support. So if you buy the template and you have some questions, go to my tutorials right here. If you have questions before you buy, though, I would be delighted to have a great conversation with you. I'll tell you what to expect with the financial projections that you buy. And also just the car detailing business plan template in general. If you have questions about it, just go to my, just give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation for you. If you do need help filling out that template, I do offer mentoring services. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with tutorials and you don't want to mess around with templates, you just want the darn business plan written for you or your financial projections done for you, visit my prices page right here. I do offer custom business plan writing and financial projection services as well. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.